Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we are making Adalu, a popular dish in Nigeria that is made using corn and beans. It is made into porridge using this kind of fresh corn. Alright, so off camera I took out the corn kernels from the cob and I have washed it. Now I'm transferring that into my pot. Then I'm going to add enough water to cover the corn and cook for about 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes later and I have already picked and washed my beans with hot water. I even parboiled it. So this is ready to go into the corn now, and I'm going to add onions and of course more water to cover this and cook till soft. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you. While the beans is cooking, I'm going to quickly prep the peppers I'm going to need for cooking Adalu. And here I'm using just a bit of Tatashe, some dried chili and onions. I will blend this off the camera and go on to heat up some palm oil. In this palm oil, I'm going to pour some smoked panla which I already deboned and washed. This is it. I've deboned and washed this. So I'm going to fry this in the palm oil under low heat, and I'm going to also keep it covered to prevent palm oil from splashing everywhere because this can really splash a lot. Okay, so this is it after frying. It is firm. I love to fry this fish. Now that the fish looks good, is a good time to add the pepper mix, and I am going to season this with just stock cube and salt. I am going to fry this stew till it looks very close to agoyin stew. I want to get the flavor that agoyin has in this adalu. So I've added my stock cube and salt, and I'm going to leave this to cook while stirring occasionally. I'm going to let this fry until it looks like this, like I said earlier on. Can you see that stew? The entire house at this point was smelling so good. And at this point, the beans was ready, was super soft. Corn was ready too, was soft. And I just checked with my finger and it looked really good. So I added the stew with the fish that I just fried and just mixed this up. If you feel like your adalu needs some more water, you can add a little bit, but I'll say that you should let it boil after mixing the stew into it. But I'll say that you should let it boil a bit first after adding the stew because it tends to secrete some water, usually hide inside the beans. So I covered for another 5 minutes on low heat, and look at what I was talking about. Yeah, this looks so good, so good, and it was absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comments when last you ate adalu and if you'll be cooking it very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you with another one soon.